If you're a video editor, a graphic designer, love all things Canva, or you love all things social media, you're always posting, then this might be a perfect virtual assistant opportunity for you. As an ads manager, you will be in charge of pulling together all the different graphic assets that will be used as the basis for Facebook ads, Pinterest ads, Amazon ads, TikTok ads, tons of different platforms online where you can run ads. This is a very lucrative space for virtual assistants. So this would be ideal, like I said, for people that are creatives and want to leverage the skills that they already have. But you can also learn Facebook in other platforms in terms of running ads. So in this video, that's what we'll be covering. A little bit about me. I am a virtual assistant and project manager with over 10 years of experience. With that said, let's get started. So, as an ads manager, you'll be in charge of deciding how the ads will be structured. So, the structure of an ad, and we'll just speak on Facebook ads for the purposes of this video, is the creative asset, which is the video, the carousel, the static photo, the copy, as well as the link that you'll be driving traffic to, the external URL. So that could be your the landing page for the particular offer that's being run. It could be the website. It could be your email list. So the link to generate traffic to your free download. And then also the ads manager will be putting together the targeting for the ad. So who will actually be seeing the ad? The ads manager will also be in charge of the overall ad campaign. So there could be several different ads in a singular campaign. So you'll be in charge of making sure that however you structure the campaign, that it ultimately is going to meet the goal of your client, whatever goal that they have, which is to convert sales, to generate more leads, more marketing leads for their business. And so that's ultimately the purpose of running these ads. You will also be in charge of monitoring the ads, so making sure that there's no error message or that nothing breaks over the course of running the ad, making sure that after 7 days, if you don't like the results, that you end the ad. So just monitoring it so that everything is is running according to plan. You'll also be in charge of measuring the success of the ads, and you'll be in charge of taking all this data and optimizing your ad sets and your ad campaigns. So taking all your findings from the 7-day campaign or however long the campaign is running, and then tweaking one particular element. So you may tweak the ad copy, you may tweak the creative to determine how to generate even more leads if it's a successful campaign, or to just optimize and improve what you already have. So that is just a little bit about the responsibilities of an ads manager. And like I said, it would be ideal for someone who's already creative, but you can teach yourself these skills. And that's all for now. See my links on how we can work together if you're looking for a virtual assistant to support you in your business, or if you prefer DIY options on how you can supercharge sales in your business, that's also available. Thanks for watching.